Have you ever tried to insert bullet points in Google Sheets but didn't know where to start? So you may have tried doing emojis or other symbols and just couldn't find it. And so I'm going to show you real quick right here. So it just takes a quick search. So we're going to do HTML symbol, bullet point. And then what you're looking for is where you have text with that symbol. And so there's different websites that you can use for that. And basically double click and paste. And the cool part about this is it's basically rendering as text. So you can do whatever you want, like you'd normally do with text. You can change the color and so forth. Now, if you want a hollow, so then we could do hollow bullet point. Let's see if it'll find it on here. So I'll just go back to this hollow bullet point, and there we go. So found it there, just not on the site. And so then we can put that there and probably center these as well. Just like that. And then go ahead and finish this up real quick, make this actually look nice. And then we can copy and paste these inside of a Google Sheet once we have them. Now it's just text. And you can do that wherever you need to in your Google Sheet. And the last thing I want to point out is that you can use this for a wide variety. So you can just look up HTML symbols and look up on here. And you can go through different symbols and look at the full references. And then if you find the symbol that you want to use, so for example, if you want this arrow, you can just simply copy and paste that right into your Google Sheet and use it just like that. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.